Hello friends, welcome to my channel Smart Technology, and in this video I am going to show you one of my Python micro project that is alarm management system that I have created in my 6th semester. So without wasting your valuable time, let's start today's video. As you can see here, there are three important files. First is alarm, that is Python source code file, actual code. This is PNG file, that is image that will display on the screen, and this is simple tone mp3 file, that is nothing but music that will be play when alarm will ring. So let's open it. Here I will run this code to that you can understand it easily. Okay. As you can see here, there are some important packages or libraries that will use in this program. So first is tkinter. It is one of important package that is used to develop GUI application in Python. And yes, this is from here I have imported image tk. So this is imported for inserting image. Then there is datetime for working with date and time. Then is time and pygame. Pygame is one of the important package that is used to develop GUI application or to develop the gaming applications. So here the use of this library is for playing music. Then for tkinter, import message box, displaying the messages. So here you can see root tk. This is first initialization. Then I have just setting this title as alarm, you can see here. Then width and height of this frame, okay, and minimum size and maximum size I have set it here. So then title alarm management system. This is first my label that I have displayed on the screen. And this is the code for inserting image. This is my image. So image.openClock png, then the resize, and this is some label and code for this image. So initialize mixer. So as you can see here, one of important mixer I have just told you, pygame import mixer. So mixer is that actual module. So I have initialized it here. Then see here, text for our form. So here are labels that are displaying on the screen, like enter hour, okay, you can see here enter hour, enter minute, and am pm. So these are some different attributes like font, and this is place. This is used for placing this label at particular position, xy position, okay. Then these are some tkinter variables for storing entries like hour value, mint value, and ampm. So these are of string type, and these are instances for our form entry. I mean, these are text fields for giving input from user as hour entry, minute entry, and ampm entry, okay. Then it's button, set alarm, okay. These are attributes of that button like visual background, foreground. Then it is font, okay. These are some font styles like bold, and this is padding X, okay, and you can also specify your padding Y, and it's a command. It's one of the important that is used to handle event handling. So command run alarm. So when the user click on this button, this will run the run alarm function that I have declared here, run alarm. And these are labels, that is current status. As you can see here, current status, and alarm is not set. So initially this will display as alarm is not set. When user click on this button, okay, this function will be run as run alarm, and you can first see here the alarm is set. So this message will be changed here. After that, hour value dot get, minute value dot get, and ampm value dot get. So I am just getting this value from user into these three variable h, m, and ampm. Then current time, mi means minutes. So here I am getting current minute value from this module, time.strf time modulus m. Okay, and what I'm actually doing here. So int m, this is type conversion because the values are in string format, so I'm converting here into int minus int current time minute. That means the user entered minutes and the current minutes. I'm performing subtraction of this minute, okay, and getting remaining minutes for ringing alarm. Then a time, its actual time set to 0. Okay, then am pm here. If am pm is equal to pm, okay, for capital and small here or condition. So if user entered pm, then we want to add plus 12. So here int h is part of typecasting, plus 12, okay, storing in h, and then again I'm converting it to str. Okay, and here is actual time h:m. So this is I have done for matching the times. Okay, in next code you can see it. So else if user entered am, then we have to do simple concatenate text hours and minute into actual time, and if user does not enter any value, then we have to display error message as please enter mpm. Then you can see here alarm will ring at 8, that means actual time. Okay, then we will get here actual time, that is hours and minute, and we will display it like current time, as you can see here. No, you can see here. Okay, I will display it later. So alarm will ring in r minutes, the variable remaining minutes. Okay, so actual logic is here. While actual time is not equal to current time, I will get this current time into this current time variable. Still the time is not matched, and when if actual time is equal to current time, I will load the music, mixer.music.load, then play this music using this function and print time to wake up. Okay, and here I will display message on the screen as time to wake up, that is the dialog box will display, and when user click on OK button on this dialog, I will stop the music and print Xbox on the screen. Okay, so let's see how it works. Here now time is 2:13, and I will enter 14, so it will ring in 1 minute, and it's PM. Set alarm. Time to wake up. This was our actual Python project, and you can use it in your semester. I will provide the entire code in description. You can download from there or you can use it from there. So thanks for watching the video and stay connected with us. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe to this channel and also share with your friends. So thanks for watching the video and milte hain next video mein. Thank you.